Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on this, and I was showing somebody that sent me this file, and they wanted to put a heart in there, and I suggested I would just replace this figure right here with the heart and not go through the painstaking, well, it's not painstaking, it's kind of fun, but because this drawing is not centered, these are not centered, it did not draw symmetrically like I've done in a couple of my videos. So I thought I'd just show you how you could just replace that heart. When you click on it, all that interior piece is one piece, or a lot of it is. All you have to do is go to range and break curve apart. Then all these pieces are separated. And let's hit just delete. Then just go up to your basic shapes, pick your heart, grab your heart, and just kind of draw you a heart, and then zoom in. And what I would suggest, then set your nudge factor on 0.001. Zoom in where you can see kind of all the inside, and then just grab your heart and then just move them around where you think it's equal. Like I've said many times in my other videos, it's your drawing, and then you can just fill in the heart. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.